All right, let's do this. So angle number 1, this is this angle right here. Okay. Well, what is it the same as? Well, over here we have alternate interior angles, right? So it's the same as this angle here that I just put a blue marker on. So we're going to say that those are equal, so that's 68 because they're alternate interior angles. There may be other ways to figure out what the measure of that angle is, but that's one of them, okay? Corresponding to that, look at this angle 8. Angle 8 is corresponding. It's like it's repeated, right? So angle 8 I can say is also 68 degrees. And rather than just go through them one at a time, okay, I could do it this way where I'm like, what are the angles that are equal? Angle 7, you could get that from angle 8 or also from angle 1, okay? So that's also equal to 68 degrees, okay? Let's see, so angle, what do we have? 1, 7, and 8, okay. What else do we have? That might be it for now. I'm sure there's more. I'll switch colors. Let's go to number 2. Okay, so angle number 2 here, this angle right here, let's put that. Alright, so angle number 2, I don't see another, oh, here we go, look at that. Alternate interior angles again, so that's 62 degrees. 62 degrees, and there may be other cases. Let me see, I don't have any other transversals there. Okay, that might be it. So that's 62 degrees. Let's go to angle number 4. Oh, these three angles together, so I'm going to change colors here. This is probably a different one. These three angles, the red, the green, and the blue, together they form a straight angle. And the measure of a straight angle is 180 degrees. So if I subtract 68 and 62 from 180, so 180 minus 62 plus 68, okay, you can use a calculator for that. We will get 50 degrees. Now you might be able to use mental math for that, that might be fine. So I'm going to go back to green, so angle 3 is 50 degrees. Are there any other angles that are equal to 50? Let's see, well, it could be that there are. I'm not sure if I see any at the moment. Let's go on to number 4, angle 4. Okay, so angle 4 is actually, there's several ways we could do that, but I think the easiest way is to look at angle number 1 and then angle number 4. Those two angles are supplementary because they make a straight angle. Okay, so I'm just going to take 180, right, minus the measure of angle 1, which was 68. Okay, and that's what I'm going to get. That's 112 degrees. So the measure of angle 4 is 112 degrees. Now, do we see any other angles that are that same measure? Okay, well, I'm sure there are quite a few, but right here we have a corresponding angle. So measure of angle 6 is also 112 degrees. Okay. Do we see any others? Oh, angle number 9 right here. Okay. So angle 9 is also 112 degrees. So we can go ahead and do that. 112 degrees. There may be more, but let's keep it at that for now. Let's go and look at angle number 5. Okay, so what is the measure of angle 5? Well, one way I could do that, there may be others, there are always others, is we know that it forms a triangle with this purple angle 4 and 18 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to say 180 was the triangle, and we're going to subtract 112, right? 112 plus 18. That's pretty easy to do with mental math. So that's only 50 degrees left, okay? So then that is 50 degrees. We already had one, green one was 50 degrees, okay. So let's change colors for that. Let's go with brown, okay? So this angle here is 50 degrees, angle number 5, 50 degrees. Double check that, 18 and 12 is 30, right? Yeah, so 130 subtracted from 180 is 50, yes. Okay, and then we have corresponding angle here, so angle 12 is also 50 degrees. Okay. All right, so angle measured of angle 10. Well, look at angle 10. We have a case of, try this one here, different color. These are alternate interior angles, okay? So this is also 85 degrees. So angle number 10 is the same as, what did I can't even read that because I wrote over. Yeah, it's 85, okay. So 85 degrees. The measure of angle number 11. Well, if I subtract 85 from 180, okay, so if I subtract 85 from 180, let's do this, like 180 minus 85, that's going to be 95, right? So measure of angle, let's change colors again. Oh, here we go. Measure of angle 11 is 95 degrees. Okay, I'm not sure that's a different color. Let's go with this one. 95 degrees. Okay, so put that one right there. And then all we have left is 13. Okay, well, we have a triangle with that one. So we've got this number 8 was, this is 68 and 85. So we're going to use triangle sum to find out what the measure of angle 13 is. So I guess we'll just go 180 minus, and then we're going to have 85 plus 68. And that will give us 27 degrees. So 27 degrees. 27 degrees. All right. So yeah, most of these questions could be done using different theories, okay? Sometimes vertical angles, straight angles, alternate interior, corresponding. We didn't actually use consecutive interior angles, but like for example, for angle number 6, we could have done that. We could have said, okay, well these are vertical angles, so they're equal, and then consecutive interior angles are supplementary, and subtract from 180. But I would say use whatever is the most efficient method. Okay, I think I came close to that.